Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to fix a date of birth e-file reject in TurboTax. If your tax return was rejected due to an incorrect date of birth, don't worry. This is actually one of the most common filing errors, and it's incredibly simple to correct. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to start by opening your TurboTax app. To do this, open your web browser and head over to turbotax.intuit.com. Once you're on the home page, sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with the rejected tax return. After entering your username and password, click Sign In and wait for your account dashboard to fully load. Once your account has loaded and you can see your tax filing dashboard, we're ready to begin fixing the date of birth issue. Look over to your left navigation menu where you'll find several options for managing your tax return. From this menu, click on My Info. This section contains all the personal information you've added for your tax filing, including your name, address, social security number, and importantly, your date of birth. This is where we'll make the necessary correction. In the My Info section, you'll see all the personal details associated with your filing. Scan through this information until you locate the date of birth field. Next to it, you should see a Review/Edit link. Go ahead and click on this link. This will open up an editable version of your personal information, allowing you to make changes to any field that might contain an error. Now you're in the editing interface. Here you can simply adjust the date of birth field by clicking directly on it. Once it's active, input the correct date of birth carefully. Make absolutely sure you're entering the date that matches your social security records exactly, as this is what the IRS uses to verify your identity. Double check the month, day, and year before moving forward. Even a small typo here could result in another rejection. After you've adjusted and corrected the date of birth, save your changes. TurboTax will update your return with the correct information. Now you're ready to refile your tax return. The system will automatically incorporate the corrected date of birth into your submission. Simply follow the prompts to e-file again, and this time with the accurate information, your return should process without any issues related to date of birth discrepancy. And that's it. You've successfully corrected the date of birth error in your TurboTax filing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.